right, ladies and gentlemen, I have the pleasure of announcing the first special award this morning, the Insurance Person of the Year, that goes to Mr. V.K. Sharma, Chairman, Life Insurance Corporation.
Mr. Samir Kochar, Mr. Srinivasan, Dr. Ajit Basu, Dr. Pathak, Mr. Mehta, Mr. Chandrasekhar Bose, Mr. Kansale, Mr. Mahapatra, on the dais and other dignitaries of the dais. I am really surprised by the whole thing. I mean, it's because I'm honestly telling you, my primary purpose of coming here was to meet Mr. Samir Kochar. Many times we talked or we had exchanged mails also, but somehow, I mean, it did not happen that we could meet. So I thought that no, this is one program. I have been invited, I will certainly come, and I said that I will attend this. But I didn't know that you are giving the Insurance Person of the Year award. No, it's Life Insurance.
Nice to surprise sometimes.
Yeah, Life Insurance Corporation of India, and if anything I have done, primarily it is because of the Life Insurance Corporation of India kind of. Friends, LIC does not need any introduction, but still a few lines I would like to share with you. LIC is the most known and respected name, three-letter word in this entire country. Not as a life insurer only, LIC is one of the most respected financial institutions in this country. Maybe many a times people say because of volume, because we have more than 25 crore customers, or because we have more than 25 lakh crores assets, or we are the biggest player in the financial market. But friends, all these things are not there. Today, when Mr. Rangarajan and Mr. Patil is being remembered, I really appreciate the people who have thought about it, because similar such thing might have been done by some visionary people in 1956 when LIC was created. And since then, this is one institution which has not seen downside. And that's why I say that it is important. It is not important because of the volume or customer base. It is important because it has been so participative that it has influenced the life of everybody in some way or the other. When some parliamentary committee chairman comes and I introduce myself, sir, I am V.K. Sharma from LIC. Hey, LIC, yeah. I know LIC is doing very well, and this, I know. And you know, I am also a proud client of that. When my Honorable Finance Minister says that you know that I know LIC better than you because we have been a great beneficiary at one point of time when we came and we wanted to make our house, etc. So in many ways LIC has influenced the lives of people. But today, friends, I will talk about not what is the past, what is going to be the future. And certainly the future is of young people. People who are young, organizations who are young. Though Mr. Basu may look old, but his organization is very young. Chandrasekhar Bose, his organization is very young. Perhaps the future belongs to them. I have no hesitation in saying it. Because the changes which are coming, they are so fast. They are so spontaneous that only young people perhaps or young organization can absorb it. Older organizations have their own legacy, their own systems, their own way of thinking. So this is what I will be, but how? Though we consider ourselves to be the old organization, something about the young people I will like to talk. How do we see the life insurance industry in coming 5, 10 or 15 years? Friends, our Honorable Prime Minister has done two things in life insurance sector, which is very, very remarkable and very visible and impacting the every person of this country. First was Jan Dhan Yojana. People used to say, still we say, array insurance is very difficult, reaching to the small customers are very difficult. By creating Jan Dhan Yojana and enrolling 7 crore people through not only banking, but life insurance as well as health insurance, it was a miracle. And he proved it by deed that miracle can be done and it can be achieved within a short span of time. Another example, exclusively for life insurance and health insurance, has been Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. Why I am raising these two things here? Because when we know that there is a huge unfinished agenda, a country of more than 1.3 billion people, where very, very few people are insured and very, very, very few people are adequately insured. Every time when we talk, we say that it is very difficult to reach people, it is very difficult to do the insurance, it is a difficult business, the technology is not there, cost is very high, etc., etc., etc. But the fact remains, friends, that one person dying without insurance, countries 1 lakh, 2 lakh or 10 lakh, assets are extinguished without any indemnification. As a person, we will not like to get my motor car, my motorcycle or my TV conked off and not having any claim. Will we like it? But a country of 1.3 billion people, we are very, very easily doing it and ignoring it also. Visualize that by a magic wand, everybody would have been insured. Whoever is dying, there is a claim. What would have been the economic situation of this country? It would have been a game changer. Maybe in coming years, persons like Mr. Bose and other such organizations will be able to do the game change. Friends, this is about demography of this country and this is about the future of life insurance in coming years. Because lot of people, hardly, we can say that 8 to 10%, not more than that, people have been insured. The second aspect is the economic development. Everybody agrees, not only in India, globally, that India is the only bright spot in the global turmoil of economy. with all the things, political stability, economic stability, and having a clear sense of direction has given us the edge, which we visualize that next 10 years, we call it in our mythology, we call it that dasha 10 saal ki hoti hai. So this 10 saal ki dasha is for India. Next 10 years is for India, for Indian economy, for Indian people, for life insurance of India. This is our visualization, and certainly when we see on the overall industry level, the focus of the industry as such to have the double-digit growth, to have a vision 2030 wherein we intend to overtake the global life insurance penetration to increase the coverage, it all shows well. Life insurance industry has been growing in double digit, and I hope that in coming years also it will grow. Friends, a few words about digital technology I will certainly like to share. With permission to Dr. Pathak, Dr. Pathak, I am sorry, I will take his name. Life insurance has been one of the very, very early user of information technology, and in the period of change, Dr. Pathak has been our not only consultant, friend, philosopher and guide, and we created an organization where a largest shift from manual or physical paper to EDMS, Electronic Data Management System, has been done. It is the world's largest experiment. 35 crore policy documents have been converted into the digital documents. And with that 10 years growth, we have come to the level that we can have anytime, anywhere service to any policyholder. But this is a very, very preliminary and primary. Today, the scenario is that every day a new thing is coming in technology, a new way of delivering the financial services, including life insurance, is coming. And that is going to be the game changer in life insurance sector also. Friends, the Digital India program has shown that what new can be done, what disruptive changes it can bring. And certainly, the companies who will be absorbing this shall be able to be ahead of the curve. Another related item of technology change is the Aadhaar, UID. I remember some people from Andhra, one lady met me in Himgiri Bank. As early, maybe 10-15 years back, we started one project there. Subsequently, we linked it with their ration cards, because in Andhra, ration card is totally computerized along with the photographs. And we started one mass insurance program, Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana, and it is totally digital. Right from the village Samakhya to Mandal Samakhya to district level to SERP, everything is digital only. And the photograph and database is with the Life Insurance Corporation of India. The moment it comes digitally, and we send the claim digitally, and it is paid right at the village level. One of the very successful schemes. This is one of the great example of digital revolution which has happened, which we saw. Now it is getting converted into Aadhaar. Aadhaar has become such a powerful tool that Aadhaar and its related instruments, whether it is payment mechanism, whether it is cards, debit or credit cards which are based on that, they are going to be the future. life insurance loaded on that perhaps will be the future life insurance system. Friends, I will not take much time. Those who are in the life insurance segment or those who want to make a future in life insurance segment, this is the time. Because maybe it is like when there is opportunity, when there is a scope, and when there is development in the segment, this is the time to join that business. The way things are developing, this is going to be the sunrise sector, not only in life, in health, in general insurance also. I give my best wishes to all of you for being here, because people say that एक घड़ी आधो घड़ी आधो में पुनियाद तुलसी संगत साधु की हरय कोटि अपराध. It is by fortune that we get the opportunity of being good people together, and which takes care of all the negativity. I thank Mr. Samir for this.